Hello, Divine Family. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing good. So, today is 22nd August and today is full moon in Aquarius and also the blue moon. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about the manifestation process that you should follow to manifest your desires. So, this event is very rare and vital, and this blue moon is so important for your manifestations as well as for your karma cleansing and your healing. So, most of you already know that on the day of full moon, some new manifestations are done and some rituals are followed. So, why this full moon is so important? This is a blue moon, and there are 4 blue moons in a year. So it's very important to release the negative energy on this day so that you can feel fully energized for the upcoming time. You can do a lot of manifestations this time, and on the day of full moon, this time blue moon, you should do a lot of manifestations as your energy this time is very high, and it will help you to speed up your manifestation process. So, on the day of full moon, you have to follow some rituals for energy clearing. If you don't know about these rituals that you should follow on the day of full moon, then check out the video I have already made on the rituals that you should follow on the day of full moon. The video is given in the description box as well as in the pinned comment. Check that video and follow these rituals that you should follow on the day of full moon. So make use of this event and manifest what you want. Using this powerful force today, you can manifest anything. You deserve to have your dreams manifested, and I want you to manifest your desires today in this blue moon. So, I will tell you how you can do this today. First of all, you have to clear up the space. When manifesting something new, you have to make room for it. You have to clear the space and declutter the things that you are not using anymore. Get rid of what's not serving you. If you have the books cluttered and you don't use them anymore, donate them, give it to someone who can use them. If you have a lot of clothes that you don't wear anymore or they are not of your use, donate it to a person who is in need. So that's how you clear up the space and make room for new things. The second thing you need to do in this manifestation process is cleaning your house and the doors. You should clean your house entirely on this day to make sure there is no negativity around any corner of the house and everything is in place. And the most important thing is to clean your front door to welcome the new energies and good energies in your house. As most of you know that full moon is considered to be the best day for manifesting anything and setting your intentions. So to set your intentions rightly and to welcome the new energies, you have to first get rid of the things that are not for you. The third thing you will do in this manifestation process is scripting. You will apply law of attraction here and write your desires on a paper with red pen. Don't use black pen here. You have to write what you want in your life. What is that intention that you want to manifest? So, when you are writing your desire on the paper, you have to make sure that you write the desire in the present tense or as if it has already happened to you. It will not be written in the future tense that I will get this, I want this. Do not write like this. Like for manifesting success in a business, you will write, my business is successful. Make your affirmation like this. You can write it in full details. It's up to you that how you like to write it. You can keep it small as well as you can write it in detail. Write your intention clearly and take it in the full moon and manifest it. Just look at it, visualize it, apply the technique of visualization here and let it soak the moon energy. You can also use a crystal that can activate the energy more. Clear quartz I will recommend here because it is an energy activator, and you can also use an amethyst. Now, after being in the moonlight for some time and reading what you wrote on the paper and affirming your desire, visualizing it, and completely being in the present moment, just put that paper in an envelope and keep it secret. Don't miss it. So, the last thing that you will do in this process is putting some related stuff to your desire in your space. Surround yourself with the things that relate to your intention. Like for attracting a good relationship, you may have a picture of a couple together or any picture that relates to you, that relates to your situation well, so that you can see it and it goes to your subconscious mind. So that was all about how you can manifest your desires on the day of full moon. Make sure you get the most benefit out of it, and I will see you in the next video. Stay safe and always be happy.